after 5,000 shows, one juggler does his part to fight coronavirus the only way he knows how.
How does that sound, everybody?
This lone warrior faces his most dangerous mission ever.
I'm very excited to be here. Juggling has given me so much in my life.
If she's under control, she can watch juggling.
He is attempting to save your world 1 hour each week.
Everybody, if you can, make sure you mute on your Zoom.
Follow Jeff Civillico on this epic journey to train children to juggle every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern on Instagram Live and Zoom.
Wait, how did I do that?
For 3, yes, you can go to the bathroom. Add the 3rd sock.
Yes! No.
Yes.
Jeff will be tested like never before.
Please do crazy tricks.
Now we got somebody smelling their socks. Uh-oh, what have I started? Post videos online, tag me, and hashtag juggling with Jeff.
Don't miss these blockbuster broadcasts.
Next time, double pizza.
Double pizza. I'm gonna go make a pizza right now.